What causes air conditioner compressor premature failure? When AC compressor failure happens. These are the common issues that cause AC compressor failure. Number 1. Dirty coils. When dust, grime and mineral scales build up on the condenser coil, the air conditioner can't expel enough heat from the system, and it's forced to run constantly trying to cool your space. The increased pressure and temperature can cause the compressor to overheat and fail. Number 2. Blocked suction lines. When your air conditioner's refrigerant lines become blocked or damaged, the first thing you'll notice is that the unit is not cooling as effectively. If the problem is not fixed, once again the increased pressure and temperature cause overheating and AC compressor failure. Number 3. Leakage of refrigerant. Due to leakage of refrigerant, the compressor has to work harder to pump enough refrigerant through the system to cool your space. It can eventually cause the compressor to break down. Number 4. Incorrect suction line size. A suction line that's too large or too small for your system can cause premature AC compressor failure. Number 5. Too much refrigerant. If technician adds too much refrigerant or even the wrong type of refrigerant, it can be a deadly mistake for the compressor. Number 6. Electrical problems. An electrical failure can result in a buildup of acids that cause a great deal of damage to other parts in addition to the compressor. Number 7. Contaminants in the system. Air, moisture, dirt, debris, leaves, soot, acids, and even bird and pest droppings can cause high heat and pressure in an air conditioning system, and this will damage the compressor. Number 8. Inadequate oil lubricant. If lubricant levels in the condition of the oil pump is not good, then it can damage the compressor. For more HVAC video, be sure to click the subscribe button. Also, if you would like to know more information about this topic, go to hvacfreelancer.com, or you can click the link below in the description.